Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Babu. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. Happy birthday. Good morning all of you my beautiful friends, and welcome back to my channel Positivity and Happiness. So my friends, in my previous vlog I already told you that a very special day is coming in my life, and as well as a very special vlog is coming up in my channel. So today is the day. Today is Bikram's birthday. It's 21st of March, and obviously it's a very special day in my life. And this year, my friends, I am even more excited because I am going to share this birthday vlog in my vlog channel with you, all my lovely viewers and my lovely subscribers. So my friends, last day around 12 o'clock, we cut the cake. I made some arrangement with flowers, wine and apple pie cake. And he was so happy, he was surprised, and we had an amazing time. And for today's plan, my friends, today I have a plan to make a very delicious Bengali style birthday thali for Bikram because he loves to eat Bengali food, and today is the time that I can treat him well with this kind of Bengali food. So yes, I went for the store. I need to buy some stuff from the grocery store. Now the time is around 9:30. I woke up very early in the morning. I did some pre-preparation in my kitchen, like I marinated my chicken. I already soaked the rice and I cut some vegetable. So everything is done now, the pre-preparation that I did very early in the morning. And now I'll change and I'll start the cooking. I told Bikram to come back home early today because around 2:30 to 3 o'clock I have a plan to serve him a very delicious birthday lunch. So yes my friends, please keep watching the vlog. I'm going to share the way I make this kind of birthday special lunch for Bikram. So please keep watching. And here is the preparation my friends that I made today to make very special birthday thali for Bikram, my loving husband. And here is 5 types of vegetables that I have cut and organized because we Bengalis, we have to give 5 types of rice in our birthday special thali. We call it panch bhaja. And here is my Gobindubhog chal. I have soaked it in little bit of water to make rice kheer. This is also very important in our birthday thali, payesh or rice kheer. Here are some basic preparation: chopped tomatoes, chopped onion, potatoes. And there is my prawn because Bikram loves to have prawn. And here is another fish, that is salmon. Today my friends, I'll show you in details my prawn curry recipe, but rest of the recipes is already there in my channel. I'll show you the whole preparation. And here is my marinated chicken pieces. So now let's start. So here is my first preparation is chingri macher curry or prawn curry, prawn masala you can say, or chingri macher malaikari. First of all my friends, for that I am frying small potato pieces which I have marinated with little amount of turmeric and salt. Bikram loves to have potatoes, so I am using it in my curry. And here in the second step I am frying my prawn pieces my friends. I have marinated my prawn pieces with little amount of turmeric and salt, like the same way I did with my potatoes. And I will not overcook it, just 1 minute will be good enough. And here for the tempering in the oil, I have taken mustard oil today to make prawn curry. I have added cumin seeds, then bay leaves, 2 pieces of whole cardamom and few cloves. And also I have added 2 long green chilies, which is very important in this dish. And now here I am adding my chopped onion. After adding onion, now I am going to add little amount of salt as well, and then I'll give it a very good mix and cook it for a few minutes. It's like my onion is ready, and now here I am adding my chopped tomatoes. and again I'll give it a very good mix to make a good masala and good gravy for my dish. And now here I'm adding all the dry spices like cumin powder, dhania powder and turmeric powder and little amount of red chili powder. These are the basic Indian spices that we usually use in all our dishes. After preparing this masala paste with all these dry spices, here you can see I am adding coconut milk. I made this coconut milk with coconut and little amount of warm water, but you can use coconut milk from the store. And here my masala mixture is absolutely ready. So now I am adding my prawn and potato pieces which I have fried earlier. And now after giving it a very good mix, I'll add some warm water and I'll cover the lid. So my friends, this time you have to be very patient. We have to mix all the ingredients properly. And now here you can see I'm multitasking. Here my prawn curry is getting ready, and there on that burner I have already started making my yummy chicken masala or chicken korma masala. So my friends, already in my channel I have given a detailed recipe of chicken korma masala in my guest special dinner routine. Probably you have seen that. If you have not, I'll give the link. So yeah, I'm making my chicken curry now. And here my delicious looking chicken korma is getting cooked, and there is my prawn masala curry. It's also almost ready. You can see my potatoes, they are cooked perfectly, so just few minutes and then it will be ready. And my friends, now I'm gonna add some warm water into my chicken curry. Then I'll cover the lid and I'll let it cook for another 25 to 30 minutes. And by the time I'll start making another dish because my prawn curry is ready. Here quickly I have started making my another fish curry recipe, which will be salmon masala with capsicum. So my friends, today I cannot give you the whole recipe because I am making lot of food today, so it's not possible to give all the recipes, but definitely very soon in my channel I'll upload this salmon curry recipe. But yeah, already in my channel I have another salmon recipe with Bengali style mustard paste. You have liked that recipe, so definitely I'll give the link in the description. And here my salmon fish curry is almost ready. So this is a very popular fish here in Europe, so I love to make salmon and Bikram also loves it. And here my friends, you can see my chicken curry is also ready by this time, so yes. And now I have started making rice kheer, which is payesh. And my friends, the good thing is by 12:30, now the time is around 12:30, most of my cooking is done. I have taken out this salmon fish curry, chicken and prawn masala in this small bowl because I'll just organize the thali in this way. And also I have taken out everything in this container. And my dal is also ready. I couldn't show you, but yes, my dal is also ready. So now let's make the kheer. And look at the texture of my rice kheer, my friends. It's looking absolutely gorgeous and tempting. So yes, I cooked it in low flame for 30 minutes and now it's ready. And here you can see all my cooking, everything is done. And now I'll make the chutney and fries. And here you can see I have already started frying my vegetables. My 4 types of vegetables, potato, carrot and broccoli and okra, that is bhindi, all they are done. And now I am frying eggplant. Here I just want to show you, this is Bikram's special bowl, that rice kheer bowl. I have put some raisin on top. And yes, now I'm gonna finish frying it and then I'll make the chutney. My mom is a very good cook, my friends. From her I have learned all my Bengali cooking. I have told you many times in my channel. So you have met my mom also in my previous Kolkata vlog. So yes, today I am missing her because in my birthdays and in Bikram's birthdays, she always makes lots of yummy food. So yes, I am missing her. Friends, as you can see, I have already shared. I have organized everything on my kitchen countertop, and the good thing is I'm almost done. My cooking is almost done. But now I'm gonna make my rice in the rice cooker, obviously, and it will take just 10-15 minutes, and then I'll fry some papad and puris. So in this way I'll complete this birthday special spread, birthday special thali. And now I just had a call with Bikram. Bikram will be back from office around 2:30 to 2:45, and now the time is around 1:15. So today from morning I'm cooking and I was super busy, but I'm so happy to make this food for Bikram because I always love to make birthday thalis for my families. So yes, it's a great pleasure. I just love to do that, because you all know I love cooking, and especially in these special days it's always a good thing to do. So yes, now I'll take a shower, I'll fresh, and then I'll wait for Bikram. I'll fry these puris and papad after 45 to 50 minutes, and then I'll make the thali. So please keep watching the vlog. From shower, and I'm feeling so fresh now. And yes, I'm wearing these pretty earrings. It's matching with my top. And I'm wearing this skirt and this beautiful top. I got it from Pantaloons, I guess. Yes, when I was in Kolkata. In Durga Puja time. Probably you have seen in one of my vlogs. Anyway. And also I'm wearing these two things. So okay, now I'll fry my puris, luchis. We Bengalis call it luchi. Anyway, and luchi and pies, these two things are obvious in any Bengalis birthdays, must have in any birthdays. So now I'll arrange the table where I'll put all the plates and dishes, and Bikram is also on his way back from office, so I'll see you guys after some time. And finally my friends, I'm done with my cooking. I have made everything on time. I have organized all the food items on my kitchen countertop. Here you can see I have fried my puris as well. And there is papad, which will be perfect combination with chutney. So yes, everything is there, and also I have taken out some sweets from the fridge. So yes, I'm done. And here is the final look of my birthday special thali that I made for Bikram. Total 18 items are there. Rice is there, puri, salad, 5 types of fries, then dal, prawn curry, salmon curry, then chicken masala, chutney, papad, gulab jamun, dahi or yogurt, then gajar ka halwa, and then payesh, which is a most important thing in Bengali thali. So yes, in this way I have organized all the items. I hope you have really enjoyed it, my friends. So my friends, you have seen that my thali is all set, and here is birthday boy. Now he is going to enjoy birthday lunch. Yeah. So you are excited?
Yeah. So many items.
So many items, especially luchi and payesh, right?
Yeah.
These are, I was telling you, these are mandatory for any Bengalis birthday. So now Bikram will see it. I'll give him little bit of payesh because we call it, we just think this is very auspicious, and then you will start the lunch. And we both will enjoy the lunch, right?
Yes. Can't wait.
Can't wait, yes. With our lunch session, it was too much.
Too much and too many items, and each and every item is fantastic.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Bikram actually liked all the items,
Yeah,
but
I don't know.
chingri mas?
Yeah, chingri.
Prawn, the prawn masala curry,
Prawn masala curry was fantastic, and then the payesh, rice kheer.
Rice kheer.
It was
Yeah.
awesome. Rice kheer with luchi.
Rice kheer with luchi and payesh. Those who are my Bengali subscriber, you know that.
Deadly combination.
Yeah, it's a deadly combination.
And
luchi
then there was
with
chicken.
payesh.
Chicken was also good.
Chicken was good too. And
everything, like, then all those fries, I can like that. Potato fry.
Potato fries, Paj bhaja we call it. 5 types of fries we have to give in our birthday special thali. So yeah, Bikram loves to have Bengali food, traditional Bengali food. So this is a good opportunity to treat him well with typical Bengali food in his birthday, because he loves to have this for you all. So thank you so much for watching today's vlog. I hope you have enjoyed, and please wish us, actually I always think that people should wish people good health. I think this is the most important thing. Health is wealth. So please pray for us, and I also will always pray for you all. So thank you so much, and those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share my videos with your friends and family, and obviously my friends, for sure give me your positive feedback, your comments, and communicate with me, especially in the comment section. And also in Instagram, I am in Instagram. So thank you so much. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new vlog, with a brand new video.